that they did not conduct the pageant. I was shocked. Yeah, I got a confirmation mail. I came in early in the morning. I registered. I confirmed कि मेरा registration हो गया, and then she asked me to wait, and I've been waiting her. तो मैंने भी उससे 2-3 बार बोला excuse me ma'am, excuse me ma'am, excuse me ma'am. She's like no. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys have been living a happy and fit lifestyle as always. So if you know anything about me, you would know that I love watching story times of different people, and I honestly have not been very courageous enough to make one. Because I am not at the moment I'm not very comfortable sharing the childhood stupid scenarios and situations that I created for myself. But I really thought that I am building a community where I'm very honest, and there is a story which I can share probably so that you guys get to learn something out of it and get inspired and also get entertained at the same time, because there are a lot of things in my Miss India journey which came as a surprise or even as a shock. I would say more of a shock, because there were a very few things that came as a surprise, but I think I should share them very honestly. And this is going to be a bit long, so I would suggest that you guys just grab a snack or something so that you guys uh, enjoy this video a bit more. I will try to keep you guys entertained as much as possible. But before we move forward, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and let's get started with this one. So, let's start the journey from 2019, I would say. अब मैं 2019 और 20 का बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल्स नहीं बताने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज इट इज़ जस्ट द स्टार्ट कि मैंने कैसे डिसाइड किया एंड हाउ डिड इट कम इन माई हेड दैट आई वांट बी अ मिस इंडिया. And I would also like to mention that in this video, I'm specially talking about the Femina Miss India pageant because I dreamt of being a Miss World and I have a lot to share from it. So, I was in my 11th standard in 2019, and I have, like, at that time, I was not a very studious kid. I remember that I was, I think, 15 at that time, and I remember that I love to make a lot of friends. I love to, you know, meet new people. In fact, I was just in my teenage, but social media had really influenced me a lot when I saw a lot of girls, from my school itself going out to different cafes, partying, and all of that. So I did feel a bit of a FOMO. So I wanted to do a lot of things apart from studying. So I did it. And guess what? It obviously affected my grades. And my parents were worried, like any other parent would be, because obviously, if you're not focusing on the thing that you should be focusing on at the right time, your parents will be worried. So I remember that then I stepped into my 12th standard. 11th May, obviously my grades were affected, but just because of the fact that it was my last year of school, I had my boards, so naturally it came into me that I have to be a bit serious. But उसके तुरंत बाद लॉकडाउन हो जाता है. It was the year 2020, and उसके बाद I again get back to being non-serious about everything. And I remember I used to be a very unhealthy kid because I used to eat all the possible sort of junk. But because of that, I had gained a lot of unhealthy weight, and I was also very, very insecure of my body. आपको शायद थोड़ा सा एंगल डिफरेंट लग रहा हो, बिकॉज आई जस्ट चेंज्ड माई एंगल अ बिट. उस पोजीशन में मैं ढंग से बैठी हुई थी ना खड़ी हुई थी, एंड माई फीट स्टार्टेड हर्टिंग, और मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि ये बहुत लंबा वीडियो होने वाला है. एनी वेज, सो आई रिमेंबर दैट लॉकडाउन हुआ. आई थिंक मैं यहीं पे थी. या सो लॉकडाउन हुआ और आई अगेन बिकेम लाइक careless about my studies, but I was very, very insecure about my body, and I wanted to be thinner, honestly, because I remember मेरे जितने भी friends थे, all my girlfriends, they had like a pretty high metabolism and they could just eat and get away with anything and everything. And I know that your friends don't intentionally bully you, but like मजाक मजाक में भी, if you are insecure about it, those things will hit you. So those things were hitting me a lot, and जैसे ही लॉकडाउन हुआ, I was like, okay, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ट्रांसफॉर्म माई सेल्फ मैजिकली, और जब मैं वापस स्कूल जाऊँगी दीज गाइज विल बी शॉक्ड टू सी मी. ये मेरे दिमाग में था, एंड आई हैड नो नॉलेज अबाउट फिटनेस न्यूट्रिशन. आई जस्ट न्यू कि you don't have to eat and you have to work out if you want to stay thin. I won't say fit. So I stopped eating and I just used to search random videos on YouTube for my workout. अगर आप सर्च करोगे तो आपको काफ़ी कुछ मिल जाएगा. Lose weight in 7 days, have flat stomach in 3 days. And I used to do all of it. I just used to start my morning, skip my meals, and at the end of the day I just used to be very hungry and I used to be starving, and I just eat anything which will fill my stomach. That happened for like a month. बट देखा जाए तो मेरा दिन में एक ही मील हो रहा था, वो भी अनहेल्दी था, बट एट द सेम टाइम उससे पहले आई वॉज ईटिंग अनहेल्दी थ्रू आउट द डे. सो आई स्टार्टेड becoming a bit, like I started losing weight a bit. And please don't follow it. अगर आपको सच में weight loss करना है, just follow the Fitter Way Out, which is my personal handle. So please check it out so that you know that I have come a long way. But उस time पे I started losing weight a bit. But obviously my parents saw me doing so, and my mother actually was the one who has followed all kinds of diet trends. So she had a bit of a knowledge that what would be the right way. So she was the one who encouraged me to eat home food, which was something that I started, and I started studying more about nutrition. And that is when I started eating properly, even though मुझे ढंग से knowledge तब भी नहीं थी, but I started eating my 3 main meals and my snacks. I just alternated my unhealthy snacks with some healthy food, and I started losing weight. And I think in a span of 3 to 4 months I had visibly lost a lot of weight. And in my entire weight loss journey I have lost 17 kgs, and I'll attach a picture of it if you want to. And that's how I became more passionate about fitness and nutrition, and I lost a lot of weight. I remember that I still used to be careless about my studies. So one day there was this time when my sister came up to me and she gave me a 1 hour pep talk about why is it important to study, why should you be serious about your grades. And she gave 1 hour entire pep talk to me, where she was just like, just imagine the life that you want for yourself. And by that time I did want a kind of a lifestyle. So that was not just motivation, because it stayed for me for a quite long time. And I became really serious for my studies. And even though हमारे टाइम पे 12th के बोर्ड्स नहीं हुए थे, बट दैट टाइम पे आई वॉज रियली वेरी सीरियस. और जब मैं सीरियस हुई तब एग्ज़ाम्स ही नहीं हुए. And I told you this story before Miss India because when I was unhealthy, I was very insecure of my body. तो मैं खुद में ही I used to be so insecure to wear any kind of a particular dress or something like that, कि मैं मिस इंडिया तो इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकती थी उस टाइम पे. आई वॉज सो इनसिक्योर. बट आफ्टर दैट आई रिमेंबर दैट इट वॉज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ आई लॉस्ट वेट. The video of the finale of Femina Miss India just came up into my YouTube feed, and I just saw it. Like I didn't have anything in mind. मैंने बस देख लिया पूरा. वो 2017 का था. I remember the Femina Miss India finale in which Manushi Chillar had won, and मैंने वो पूरा देखा. And then I remember creating an Instagram account, and I just started following pageantry from there. And I thought that okay, maybe I should give it a shot. So I started researching a lot of things कि क्या होता है, कैसे होता है. एंड बाय दैट टाइम मैंने जो पढ़ा, मैंने जो चीज़ें देखी, और मैंने जितने लोगों के लाइक इंटरव्यूज़ देखे, आई जस्ट केम अप टू अ कंक्लूजन दैट इट इज़ नॉट एट ऑल अबाउट ब्यूटी, विच इज़ नॉट कम्प्लीटली ट्रू. And it is just about what you say, how good of a spokesperson you are, and it is all about that. So I came up to this conclusion, and I remember that I had revealed it to my parents, and they were okay with it. So I remember that by that time I had plans of going to Pune to pursue engineering, and I did that. And in my first year, I remember when I was in my second semester, तब तक मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं था कि ये ट्रेनिंग क्या होती है. आई वॉज जस्ट लाइक कि जब भी स्टार्ट होंगे मिस इंडिया के रजिस्ट्रेशन, आई एम जस्ट गोना रजिस्टर. एंड सी हाउ इट कम्स आउट टू बी. और मैंने एक बार रजिस्टर भी किया था बट आई वॉज नॉट एलिजिबल एट दैट पॉइंट. एंड उसके बाद व्हेन आई वाज इन माय सेकंड सेमेस्टर इन माय फर्स्ट ईयर, I remember that I came across Conquer, and I was still not very confident to tell my parents about it because I was thinking in my head कि मतलब how will I convince them that it is an investment that will be worth it. And I was very insecure at that time to reveal it to my parents. And at that time I remember there was the fees was I think 25K. And I had never invested anything in the field of pageantry before that. And मेरे parents को भी ये पता था that I will probably apply for Femina Miss India. उसका फॉर्म आएगा, I'll just fill that. और उस टाइम पे रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म की भी कोई फ़ी नहीं होती थी, अब होती है, which is also not an extremely high fee to pay for if you're going for pageantry. So I was very doubtful about it. और उस टाइम पे मुझे नहीं पता था about all the expenses which are involved in pageantry. So I somehow talked to my parents about it, and my sister was also in Pune at that time. She was pursuing jewelry designing, and we didn't stay at the same place because our colleges were far away. So my mother said that just talk to her once and see what she says. And I remember walking up to her and telling her everything about it, and she felt that it was going to be worth it. And she told my mother and my father that this is what she's going for, and I think it's going to be a good investment. So they agreed. And I still remember कि उसका हमें 5,000 rupees पे करना था for the booking of our seat. So I remember उसका 5,000 booking amount पे करना था, and my father had sent me that amount. और मैंने सेम डे पे कर लिया बिकॉज आई वॉज टू हैप्पी दैट आई एम फाइनली गोना गेट सम ट्रेनिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ. I remember मैंने पे कर दिया, everything was going fine until then. I went back to my hostel, I slept, and the next morning my mother calls me. She asks me कि पे कर दिया क्या वो 5,000? I said yes. And she got really angry at that point that you should have waited a bit. And I asked her that why did you pay me in the first place if you didn't want me to go ahead and book my slot? So she said that I didn't know that you would create such a hurry and all of that, and I don't think so, you need training at this point and all of that. So I had a huge argument with her, and then we agreed to the conclusion that okay, you go ahead, you complete your training, but after this you're just going to apply for pageants, you're just going to try, we are not sending for any training. She clearly said this, and I was like, okay, sure, that sounds like a good deal. Anyway, I was not planning to go ahead and train. So I went to Hyderabad, I completed my training, I even won the mock pageant over there. And after that I think my parents visibly could see the difference it made, because ट्रस्ट मी, आई वॉजन दिस कॉन्फिडेंट किड जो ऐसे आके बात कर पाए कैमरा के सामने, या यूजुअली भी आई डेंट हैड दैट कॉन्फिडेंस टू टॉक, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर एवरी वन ऑफ अस हैज़ ग्रेट विजन्स इन माइंड, बट it is a task to convert those visions into a well versed voice, and that is something that comes with practice and a lot of confidence, so that you don't overthink before speaking, so you don't overthink without putting out a video that what will other people think and all of that. There was a different level of confidence that came. So I remember that I was very happy and satisfied, and all of my friends in college were very proud that, oh, I saw that you won a mock pageant over there, because I had posted my picture with a sash and a crown, and I had done my first ever photo shoot, which I was so excited to see, because मैंने कभी नहीं देखा था अपने आप को एक प्रोफेशनली शॉट पिक्चर में. एंड आई वॉज़ वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड कि देखते हैं कि क्या आता है फाइनल रिजल्ट पिक्चर्स का. एंड द पिक्चर्स ऑल्सो केम आउट टू बी ब्यूटिफुल, और मेरा विनर शूट भी हुआ उधर विद द क्राउन एंड ऑल. सो उसके बाद मिस डीवा पैजेंट आना था, बिकॉज फेमिना मिस इंडिया हो गया था एंड आई वॉजेंट एलिजिबल फॉर इट एनी वे. ये इसके बारे में मैंने बात करी दैट एट 17 आई हैड जस्ट टर्न्ड 18 और मैंने अप्लाई करा था, एंड आई वॉज नॉट शॉर्ट लिस्टेड. इट वॉज व्हेन जब फेमिना मिस इंडिया मौज ऐप पे हुआ था. तो मैंने अप्लाई किया था, मेरा नहीं हुआ था, बट फिर भी एट दैट पॉइंट आई थॉट कि नहीं नहीं, आई हैव ट्रेन्ड माई सेल्फ नाउ एंड आई डिड माई वॉक एंड एवरी थिंग परफेक्टली, आई हैव mastered the art and I am good with my Q&A and everything. So I think maybe I can try one more time for Liva Miss Diva. So I was really looking forward to this pageant because I would make an honest confession over here that engineering was not something which I thought of as a future plan. Like, if you ask me, if you would have asked me at that point, ki, where do you see yourself in the next 5 to 10 years, I would never imagine myself working in a corporate 9 to 5. And I respect those people who do, but that was not something that aligned with my interest. I always wanted to be in the field of pageantry, modeling, और content creation भी साथ में मैं बताऊँगी आगे कि how did I got into content creation. So it was a lot later that I realized that मुझे इन सब चीज़ों को और सीरियसली लेना चाहिए. So at that point I was like, okay, I am going to give Liva Miss Diva a shot, and I thought of it as a way of गेटिंग इनटू द इंडस्ट्री. एंड आई रिमेंबर दैट एक वीडियो था जो रिदा थराना का काफ़ी वायरल हुआ था बिकॉज शी हैड ऑल्सो ऑडिशन फॉर फेमिना मिस इंडिया. इन फैक्ट शी वॉज रीच्ड आउट बाय द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जिसमें शी सेज गर्ल्स हु आर वर्किंग इन थिंक दैट ओ दे विल गेट द वर्क, दे विल गेट द एजेंसी इफ दे sign the contract. And she said that without really having anything else in mind. I didn't completely agree with the video, but there were some aspects which I agreed with, and this was one of them. That I was in the phase where I was in this thing in my mind that okay, this is the only way I can make my way in the industry. So I was really looking forward to Liva Miss Diva, and I was like, I am going to give it a shot. Surprisingly, in that year, it was 2022, I still remember. मैं next day देखती हूँ that there's some update that the Liva Miss Diva had put up on their page, and उसमें लिखा होता था there's something that's coming up, there's some big news that's coming up. And I thought कि वाह registration होने वाला है and I'm going to give it my best shot. I was so damn excited. Like, if you talk to my like the friends around me, they will, I think, they will be able to explain it in a better way because they could see how much desperately I wanted to be in that pageant. So in 2 3 days, they had put up another post where they said that it's going to be an appointment of Miss Diva this time, and they had selected the winner of the Liva Miss Diva and Miss Supranational and the runner up from the past queens that they've already had, and they did not conduct the pageant. I saw it and I was shocked because I had made entire plans कि ऐसे ऐसे होगा pageant. I'm going to submit this video, I'm going to submit this picture. And I also imagined कि pageant के fan pages होते हैं, maybe they'll share my pictures like this. मैं अपने दिमाग में edits imagine कर रही हूँ कि मेरे क्या क्या होंगे. So you can imagine how desperately I was ready to be in that pageant. और मुझे पता लग रहा है कि उस साल appointment हो रहा है. So आई रिमेंबर सबसे पहली चीज़ जो मैंने करी वॉज टू गेट अ हेयर कट. लाइक, इस बार जो मैंने करा है, इट वॉज, ट्रस्ट मी, इट वॉज विदाउट एनी काइंड ऑफ अ ब्रेक डाउन और समथिंग. बट उस टाइम जो था, आई वॉज लाइक, आई वांट गेट आई वांट चेंज माई लुक. पैजेंट तो हो नहीं रहा है इस साल, सो मुझे अगले साल तक वेट करना है. नेक्स्ट ईयर तक माई हेयर विल ग्रो. आई जस्ट वांट गेट अ हेयर कट. आई हैड गॉन एक्सट्रीमली शॉर्ट. लाइक, अभी जितने हैं मैंने उतने ही अपने बाल कटवा लिए थे. And I was just very, very disappointed at that point, thinking that I didn't even get an opportunity to perform. फिर एक साल निकला and I remember it was the year 2023. तो 2022 के ईयर के एंड में मिस इंडिया के रजिस्ट्रेशंस लाइव हो गए थे इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर. एंड अगेन आई वॉज लाइक कि मैंने इतना ज़्यादा वेट किया. दैट वॉज अ हार्ड फेस, ट्रस्ट मी. जब फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मैं कम्पीट नहीं कर सकती मिस डीवा के लिए फिर से, बिकॉज आई वॉज बींग वेरी इम्पेशेंट, आई वुड ऑनेस्टली एडमिट. आई रिमेंबर कि 2023 में फिर से लाइव होते हैं मिस इंडिया के रजिस्ट्रेशंस, एंड आई वॉज अगेन वेरी desperate. So one advice that I would like to give would be that don't ever be desperate in this industry, be it modeling, be it pageantry. Even if you are, I would say that don't show it to others. और पहली बात तो आप रहो ही नहीं डेस्परेट, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक सो दिस इज़ एन इंडस्ट्री विच इन विच यू शुड बी डेस्परेट एट ऑल। आई थिंक सो कि आपको इतना ज़्यादा डेस्परेट किसी भी चीज़ के लिए नहीं होना चाहिए लाइफ में, बट मैं हुई हूँ। सो आई हैड कम्प्लीटली इमेजिन्ड माई सेल्फ कि नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू बी अ मिस वर्ल्ड, और मैं अपने लिटरली इंटरव्यूज़ इमेजिन कर रही हूँ अपने दिमाग में, विच आई थॉट इज़ अ ग्रेट वे टू मैनिफेस्ट। ऑनेस्टली इट इज़, बट यू ऑल्सो नीड टू हैव अ सॉर्ट ऑफ अ रियलिटी चेक, बिकॉज देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स हु आर ऑडिशनिंग, एंड एट द सेम टाइम उस टाइम मुझे नहीं पता था about how important the modeling aspect is, and it is not completely in your hands. I was just, if you have been a student for your entire life, if you have constantly been studying, तो आपका मतलब यही दिमाग में आपके होगा the definition of success that it depends on your hard work, but pageantry और modeling में ऐसा नहीं होता है that your success completely depends on your hard work. So उस टाइम पे मुझे ये realization बिल्कुल भी नहीं था। आई वॉज कम्प्लीटली कन्विंस दैट इस साल मेरा हो जाएगा मिस इंडिया में। आई एम जस्ट इमेजिनिंग माई सेल्फ टू बी अ फेमिना मिस इंडिया, एंड उस टाइम पे ऐसा कुछ मेरे पास ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरफ से रिक्वेस्ट नहीं आया था टू अप्लाई, जो कि नेक्स्ट ईयर आया था, बट उसके बारे में अभी बात करेंगे। तो उस टाइम पे आई वॉज जस्ट लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू वॉक, आई एम गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस एंड आई एम गोइंग टू विन। तो आई रिमेंबर आई गो टू दिल्ली विद माई सिस्टर, एंड जो मेरा स्टेट था दिल्ली में, मैं उत्तर प्रदेश के ऑडिशंस देने गई थी, एंड आई एम पोस्टिंग स्टोरीज़। मैंने रील्स डालना शुरू कर दिए एक हफ्ते पहले से दैट आई एम गोइंग फॉर मिस इंडिया, और एवरी वन इन माई कॉलेज, माई फ्रेंड्स नो दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गो फॉर फेमिना मिस इंडिया, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्टिंग something, because obviously I had worked so hard. All of them have seen my hard work, and they were also like, a few of my friends were desperate to know that what happened. और तो जो हमारा यूपी का ऑडिशन था, आई वेंट इन द मॉर्निंग एट 6:30। आई वॉज द सेकेंड गर्ल टू अराइव देयर, एंड मेरा जो ऑडिशन था वो आया शाम को 4 बजे। सो आई हैड, वहाँ पे रजिस्ट्रेशन डेस्क होता है जहाँ पे आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन अपना करना होता है दोबारा से, वेर यू सबमिट ऑल द हार्ड कॉपी ऑफ योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स, एंड मैंने वो सब कर लिया। बट जब यूपी का जो राउंड होना था, उसके जब बैचेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए द टीम मेंबर केम, देवर आर फ्यू गर्ल्स जिनको बैचेस नहीं मिले, एंड आई वॉज वन ऑफ देम, एंड आई थॉट कि मैं सबसे, लाइक आई वॉज एट द सेकेंड वन टू अराइव, एंड आई रजिस्टर्ड प्रॉपरली, देन why did I not receive a badge? Then I see कि वहाँ पे जितनी लड़कियाँ बची हुई हैं सबको बैजेस मिल गए, एंड आई एम द ओनली वन जिसको बैच नहीं मिला। एंड देन शी टेक्स आउट द लिस्ट जिसमें रजिस्टर्ड कंटेस्टेंट्स के नाम है, रजिस्टर्ड लाइक एस्पिरेंट्स के नाम है, एंड माई नेम इज़ नॉट देयर, एंड आई वॉज सो लाइक, आई एम थिंकिंग कि यह हुआ क्या, लाइक हाउ कम इज़ दिस पॉसिबल कि मेरा नाम ही नहीं है। मैंने रजिस्टर कर दिया, आई गॉट अ कॉन्फर्मेशन मेल, आई केम इन अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, आई रजिस्टर्ड, आई कन्फर्म्ड कि मेरा रजिस्ट्रेशन हो गया, एंड देन शी आस्क्ड मी टू वेट, एंड आई बिन वेटिंग हर। मैंने अभी आई क्लाउड से स्टोरेज बाय करी बिफोर मेकिंग दिस वीडियो कि मेरा वीडियो ना कटे बीच में, और मैं बोलती रह गई, एंड आई जस्ट रियलाइज़ कि स्टोरेज फुल हो गई है। ओके, सो गेटिंग बैक टू द टॉपिक, आई जस्ट रियलाइज़ कि मेरा नाम नहीं है वहाँ पे, एंड आई वॉज आफ्टरवर्ड्स मतलब मैं ऑब्वियसली लखनऊ से दिल्ली ट्रैवल करके आई हूँ, सो दे विल ऑब्वियसली सेंड मी इन फॉर द ऑडिशन, सो दे गिव मी सम रैंडम बैच। अब क्या होता है कि आप जब वहाँ पे जाते हो फॉर योर ऑडिशन, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग योर वॉक, तो जजेस के पास आपका एक लिस्ट होती है विद योर नेम एंड योर कंटेस्टेंट नंबर, और जो आपका कंटेस्टेंट नंबर है उसका बैच आपको मिला हुआ है, सो दे विल मार्क यू विद योर कंटेस्टेंट नंबर ओवर देयर। और जो वहाँ के टीम मेंबर्स होते हैं वो आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली रिमाइंड भी करते हैं दैट मेक श्योर दैट योर बैच इज़ विजिबल, बिकॉज द जजेस आर गोइंग टू मार्क यू, you know, are going to put a tick on your contestant number। और मुझे जो contestant number मिला है वो शायद उस शीट में है ही नहीं, बिकॉज आई वॉज गिवन रैंडम नंबर, और मैं उस ऑर्डर में भी मैंने वॉक नहीं करी जिस ऑर्डर में contestant numbers खड़े थे, आई वॉज जस्ट सेंट इन समहाउ, एंड उसके बाद आई वॉज स्टिल एक्सपेक्टिंग कि क्या पता यार हो जाए। आई प्रैक्टिस्ड माई वॉक सो मच, मैं सुबह से अपना इंट्रोडक्शन प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ कि क्या देना है, एंड I was just expecting ki, there are so many girls, but maybe they'll like my walk so much that they'll specifically, come to the team member and say that, we want this girl, but इतना time किसी के पास नहीं होता है वहाँ पे. Uh, the lady comes out, she calls out all the contestant numbers loudly, and my name was not called out, and still I was standing there shocked because somewhere uh, I was, really waiting for this, and this happened, which was completely unexpected. Uh, I still was not able to believe it. I walked up to her and asked, Ki, am I not selected in the second round? And she was busy, with some other things. So मैंने भी उससे 2-3 बार बोला, excuse me ma'am, excuse me ma'am, excuse me ma'am, did I not make it to the next round? She's like, what's your number? You just gave me a contestant number, like the random one. And I showed her the badge. This is what you gave me. And she was like, show me. I show her, and she's like, no. I walk out of there. I cry a lot at night. My sister takes me out for shopping the next day, and it didn't get better by that. I did take my own sweet time to get, like, to digest this whole thing. This is what happened at my 2023 audition. Now मैंने थोड़ा सा स्पॉइलर दे दिया था that I was reached out by the organization, और I think मैंने ये पिछले वीडियोस में भी मेंशन करा है. But I think we are going to keep it for the part 2. So stay tuned for the next part of this. And this is it for this part. I promise to drop it by next week or as soon as possible, because I have other things going on as well, and I've been really busy with them. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and as soon as possible I'll try to be back with some more interesting stuff. Till then, take good care of yourself and stay happy. Okay, so if you have watched this video till the end, I am very glad to have an audience like you. But इस वीडियो में मैंने एक जगह बोला that it's one thing to have a vision in head, and it's a completely different thing to put that vision into a well-versed voice. So I have launched the Pava and Polish sessions for you guys, where you guys can connect with me on a one-on-one call, and I can help you transform your thoughts into well-versed answers. So you can just click on the link below, fill up the form, and then book a session with me so that you are ready for your next pageant.